We'll see if I want it. I think you got it, buddy. I think you got it. Everybody ready?
Stop sliding, Chris.
Why don't you take... Wait a minute, I haven't said go yet. Why don't you take three deep breaths first?
On three. 1, 2, 3.
Eject. See your thing. Right there. That's perfect. Oh.
Come on, baby.
Let's go, Chris. Let's go, Chris. Come on, baby. You can do it.
No.
Slow, smooth, smooth, fast, baby. Here you go. You got it. You got it. Gloves, gloves, gloves. 10 seconds. Oh, yeah, baby.
Yeah!
Four.
Nice.
Julian, you got it too?
You got me by a half second.
Slacker, Chris.
Oh, I really think you can do better, Chris.
I know.